Today I'm going to introduce the TYSIM KR125 drilling rig. Here it is, a beauty of a machine. It has torque of 125 kilonewtons. It can drill down to 43 metres if configured correctly, and it can drill a 1.3 diameter hole. This is the machine you need to buy. The KR125, as you said, can be transported with its Kelly bar on a standard trailer. The maximum height is only 3.5 metres, so it's easy and quick to erect to start your drilling job. TYSIM works with the local university, a well-known one, to build hydraulic systems and monitoring systems for the contractor. This benefits the contractor on site by having the most efficient system available in today's market. TYSIM also has ISO 9001, and these machines are built to this quality. You finished your drilling job, you're ready to transport. You can place the mast automatically from within the cab. This will reduce the machine down to 3.5 transporting height. You've got your drilling rig off the truck. You're on site. With the main lift ram, within seconds the mast is positioned and it's ready to drill. Look how stable the machine is, and it's done with very little effort. It has an auto levelling mast on it, so the machine is never compromised. The Kelly bar has a winch protection mode on it, so when the Kelly bar is fully extended, you can't overwind the winch. The winch automatically stops in this position. So as hard as I can want to push it, it will not go any further than the Kelly bar. So it's an automatic protection for the KR series. I'd like to show you the KR125 drivetrain that drives the Kelly bar. It's using Richmond motors, good quality brand. Inside the housing, the keyway can be reversed to extend drilling life and lower maintenance costs. A nice little unit. The KR125 is designed under European safety standards, and it has its CE certification on all the machines. Let's take a look at servicing your KR125. In here we have filters, easy access filters, easy to change without getting your hands too dirty. And of course in here we've got the main hydraulic pump. Of course to be able to service the machine we need to be able to have a toolbox, and in this model we have built a nice safe waterproof toolbox. Here you've got your toolbox, you can put your tools, your hammer, and of course at the end of the day you can put your hat in here, close the door, lock it up, and then go. Drilling rigs have been sold for many years around the world, in Australia, Turkey, Russia, Argentina, Australia. They're built by people that pride themselves on delivering quality product every time. Give us a call when you need a drilling rig next time. We have many international agents around the world that can give you first-class service. And we have professional engineers like Engineer Ping here that will travel to your site to help you set up your drilling rig, or if you have a technical problem. So please give us a call. We're waiting for you.